Most people sign up for a free trial and never actually test the features that matter. They click around randomly, get confused, and leave without understanding the real value. Here's the truth no one tells you. A free trial is not about exploring everything. It's about testing whether the software can actually run your business. Quick promise. In this video, you'll learn exactly what you get in the Workiz free trial in 2026, what features are included, what is limited, and how to use the trial the right way so you can decide confidently if it is worth paying for. Let's start with the basics. When you sign up for the Workiz free trial, you are usually given access to the core field service tools. That includes job scheduling, customer management, invoicing, and basic dispatching. This is the foundation of the platform. It is enough to simulate a real business workflow from start to finish. Now here's where it gets interesting. Workiz is designed so you can actually test a full job cycle. That means you can create a customer, book a job, assign a technician, and even send an invoice. Alex, who runs a small HVAC service, used the trial exactly like this. He didn't just explore menus. He ran a fake week of jobs to see how the system handled real operations. But here's the problem most people run into. They ignore setup. And without setup, the trial feels broken. You need to add your business details, services, and at least one test customer. Otherwise, you won't see how scheduling and dispatch actually behave in real use. In most cases, the trial also includes access to the mobile bot data. This is important because Workiz is heavily used in the field. Your technicians can receive jobs, update statuses, and communicate with the office in real time. If you skip testing the mobile side, you are missing half the experience. Now let's talk about limitations. In the free trial, some advanced features like full automation, premium integrations, or deeper analytics may be restricted depending on the plan. This is normal. The goal is not to give everything away. It is to show you how the system works at its core. In a minute, here's what most users completely overlook. They never test real communication flow. Workiz allows SMS updates, job reminders, and customer notifications. This is where the software becomes powerful. Jake, who runs a cleaning business, realized during his trial that automated reminders alone could save him hours every week and reduce missed appointments. So how should you actually use the trial? Treat it like a real business week. Create jobs, assign work, send invoices, and test communication. Do not just click around. If you do it properly, you will quickly see whether Workiz fits your workflow or not. Final takeaway. The Workiz free trial is not just a demo. It is a simulation of your real operations. The more realistically you use it, the clearer your decision will be. If this helped you understand what to expect, hit like, subscribe, and comment if you're currently testing Workiz or still deciding. It helps others make smarter choices too.